Hello, I just watched JIN's latest single teaser I'll Be There, and I realized there's something interesting there, which is the way the logo appear like this. And I'm going to give you a little bit tutorial. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. So the logo is appear behind him. I usually call it masking, or in video editing we call it rotoscoping. Let's say I use this footage and this is the logo. Now let's focus on the footage first. So first we double click the footage and now use roto brush here, and we're going to brush the object, or in this case the person we want to mask. It's okay if it's a bit messy anyway. And for the version, use the letters you have. Mine, I will use the third version, but the second version is fine. And then we can freeze it here. If it's good enough like this, go back to the composition, duplicate it, but on the other video, delete the rotoscoping effect and put it below the logo like this. And now we can adjust when the logo will appear, something like this. I think this is quite good enough. Thanks for watching. Feel free to drop any question in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more content. Hit the bell icon so you can never miss an update. See you!